Hello there, it's SJ and Mr. B, and we're doing an unboxing together. This is the first time we've ever done this, so it's a bit weird.
It's very weird. Very, very weird.
Now, if you read the title, you know what this is, but in tradition, Mr. B, do you want to flick to the other camera and do the honours?
I'm going to. Right, everyone. So what have we got here? Well, you know what we've got, but I've got to do this properly. I've got to do this the right way. So we have got a Nike SB Zoom Blazer mid ISO, and they are University Red Black. Now, this particular pair are a UK 11. That makes them a US 12. And the code is CD2589600. Now, you might be wondering, why are there two of them?
Two what? Both of us?
Two people. Well, why is that, SJ?
Because
Da-da-da!
I've got exactly the same box.
And what have you got?
So mine are, well, I hope they're exactly the same.
You can do it in that one.
So mine are, this is a bit weird. So mine are exactly the same, but they're a US men's 7, women's 8.5, which makes them UK 6, European 40.
Boom. So yeah. So we thought that's why we're both here, because we've both got the same shoes. So without further ado, SJ, do you want to open your box?
Okay.
And I'm going to open mine. Oh, this is so good. These are so good. This is why we had to do it together. Oh my words. Oh my words.
Now, even though these were already out of the box that they came in, we haven't looked at them at all.
No, not at all. Not at all.
Right, okay, let's...
So many shoes. So many shoes. I was off the mic there. I was too excited. So what have we got, SJ?
We have got... Come on, focus. Focus, focus, focus. It's not going to focus. There we go. We have got the blazer from the Kevin Heaven and Hell pack. And this is the hell. Sorry, I'm forgetting what they are. It feels like such a long time ago that these were sort of released. So
do you want to talk us through
it? So these are obviously a blazer mid. They are a mid, aren't they?
Go and check the box. Come on, girl.
God, I'm
right.
losing it. Sorry, yes, they are a blazer mid.
Switch camera.
And they are in the nicest red velvet.
Hang on, it's not focusing. It's like a Sunday all over again.
Now these are in the nicest red velvet. It's a slightly different type of velvet than the velvet used on Mr. B's Dunks from a few years ago. It's I don't know, it is different. I can't explain it, but it's a different velvet.
Come back to the main camera. It feels to me, SJ, it feels like they're a much tougher velvet.
Yeah, they're not as plush.
No.
Is that the right?
I think that's the right.
Is that how you describe it?
I think they're not as plush. I'm gonna try and bring this into the main camera so that we can see, because there's details for days. So the first thing, actually, while we've been talking about the velvet, what we should really talk about is, well, it's got the traditional blazer sole, but the first thing I want to talk about is actually the swoosh, because if you look at the leather on the swoosh, SJ.
Oh yeah, I hadn't actually appreciated that is leather.
Yes,
but that's
a lovely leather.
That is a really nice. Well, it's actually suede, isn't it? Or
is it a nubuck? A nubuck.
Well, whatever it is the same sort of material, leather, suede, nubuck, whatever you want to call it. You need to do it like that. There. That they use on the other orange labels. Come on, focus. There we go.
Look at that. That is absolutely stunning, SJ. That's a real, like if you can turn that. Oh, and there we go. There we go. Now, so we've got that. We've got that. Obviously, this is hell, but there's something else that's inspired these, apparently.
Star Wars.
Exactly. Now I am going to do something that you're not going to do to
No,
yours.
I'm not doing it. I'm
going to do this. I'm doing this because SJ won't do this. So it is a zoom. First of all, it is a zoom heel unit. Like, that's not the exciting thing. Look at that. Now, is that not inspired by Darth Maul or what? Like,
yeah, that very much is.
It's like that's.
How did they get this past Lucas?
I don't think they went and saw Lucas at all for these.
This one got the Lucas
No,
approval.
definitely.
Trust me.
We know about that. So you keep talking while I put this back in.
So I'm just gonna say on the tongue.
Yeah.
Oh God!
What?
It says Nike KB for Kevin Bradley,
Yep.
and then it says Kevin Bradley underneath. I'm not sure if you can see that. There you go.
Oh, look at that.
There you go, Kevin
That is,
Bradley.
it's just the extra details with this pack that made it so good.
You know what I would have liked with the laces?
What would you
They're
have
flat
liked?
laces. No, I'm just going to show flat laces. Now, if come on,
Get your face behind the shoe. How about
there we go. They're flat laces.
Oh, amazing.
But I think they would have looked nicer.
Yeah.
With flat waxed black
Flat
laces.
wax. Now, while we're talking about laces,
Mm-hmm.
we've got laces to, we've got those. What do you think of the golden orange lace? Let's see if we can get it on that camera over there. Boom. Let's see. Is that gonna? It's just about showing. It's just about showing. We'll come to the front camera, SJ.
Yeah.
Like, look at that. What do we all think about that? Leave us a comment below. Like, do you like the alternate laces on these, or would you prefer the standard black? Now, I'm leaning. I'm gonna say it. I am leaning to the alternate because of that on the back there. That's what I think needs. Like, it definitely needs. I think the gold would just like really flash nicely.
Yeah, see, I've seen a few people on Instagram swap out the black for the gold. Personally, I'm not going to. I like the red and the black.
Okay.
I am just going to call out as well, because
Yeah.
I know a few people have said that theirs haven't been perfect, and mine aren't either.
Whereas I'm going to say, no, that's true, but that's just like.
Okay,
That's just,
so look at
thumbprint, isn't it?
no, look at that on the toe box.
It is amazing though. Like, it looks so good. It looks absolutely stupendous. Isn't that just the nap of the velvet?
No.
No, whereas like mine look all right.
Yeah, yours do.
If we can go like that, it looks all right, doesn't it, people? That doesn't look too bad. Oh, but
Mine actually looks like. Right, I'm going to be honest.
Yeah.
Right.
yeah, be honest.
That it looks like peach fuzz and somebody shaved part of it.
Sorry.
No, it does.
Sorry.
Look.
Let's go back with that description again. It looks like peach fuzz and somebody shaved it.
Yeah, so if you've got a peach,
Yes.
right, and you know that it's sort of fuzzy,
Yes.
so if you were to take like a little, say a potato peeler to it,
Yeah.
and just take that tiny little bit off, that's what it looks like, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, I can see that actually. Yeah, that's weird.
It is, right?
That is so bizarre. But it doesn't feel it. Oh, just a little bit.
It's super weird.
It's like a little elf has come in and like kind of shaved it or something. I reckon what's happened is a little elf's come in and slept on that little bit there on the end. Anyway, people, if you don't know what we do tend to do these sneaker unboxings, which always have now some sort of cinematic on foot. And we also stream every Sunday at 8 p.m. UK time. And that's 12 p.m. on the West Coast, 3 p.m. on the East Coast. And what that is we basically get a bunch of people together. We chat sneakers. We look at rotations. We go across the best news of sneakers that week. And we dive deep on Instagram to see what we've seen and to see what you've been wearing on your foot. But, SJ,
Yeah,
do you think we should go and have a look at that cinematic on foot?
I think we should.
Let's do it.
Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling of no more.
Well, that was a bit of fun, wasn't it, SJ?
It was. We hadn't done one of those for ages
No.
together. For like ages.
Ages and ages. So a two-parter. And you can probably tell we recorded that
A while back.
a long time ago. But we're coming back to you with the Kevin Bradley Hell.
Because it's nearly Halloween.
Because it's nearly Halloween. But also, like, look at the lace swap. So I'm gonna bring in this shoe, the left shoe.
Go on then.
For me. Can we get that to focus? Yeah,
That's
like,
focused.
so you can see how that's laced. I think that looks banging. But SJ didn't want that.
No, I like the black. Like, go on. There you go. I'm bringing it in. Bringing it in.
Bringing
Can
it
you see
in.
that?
Can I? Shall I
so,
turn the light
yeah,
up?
Sorry, I've kept with the black. And you can see it again.
Look at that. I'm
The
turning
weird,
I'm turning the light up, SJ.
the weird shaved bit on the toe cap.
Are you sure you didn't just get a razor blade out? I think you did. But I've got to say, I say this with I've got to say, they're absolutely banging. They are absolutely banging. They're lots of people aren't sure about these, but if you the way the light catches them, like, I don't know if that's. Let's flick to this other camera, right, SJ? Let's go over.
So
here.
I do think that they are an absolutely banging pair of blazers. I'm just, but maybe just not my pair because of the shaved peachy toe bit.
But like now, the light on this side is really bright, but hopefully you guys, you're seeing. Like, let's get the focus going. Come on, camera, focus. Oh, I've just not got the magician's touch, but all right, I'll bring it back. Look how the light's catching that. You see, so you can see that velvet there. Now, it's not the best velvet. We've got another velvet shoe, Red Dunk, which is, I think has got better velvet than this, or better velvet, fake velvet, we want to call it. But it definitely looks good. Let's come back to the middle there.
Yeah, it's a great red. It's a proper vibrant red.
And you've actually worn these properly, haven't you?
I have done, yeah.
And I got to say, I thought they looked amazing on foot.
Yeah, and like as I said, I'm going to get them out for Halloween. Not that we're going anywhere,
No.
but they're just going to be warm around the house.
But they could also be a Christmas shoe.
They could very much be a Christmas shoe. I mean, mine are going to become a
What-
pair that I wear a lot because of the toe.
Yeah, because of the toe.
So yeah.
So, like, I know it's a while since these came out, guys, but did you actually pick these up? So let's have another look there. Whoop, whoop. Always forget how to do this. Did you pick these up? Do you like them? I do know somebody in our community who wore them to their after party at their wedding,
Which was amazing.
which looked amazing. So congratulations to you. You know who you are.
And a few people have already started talking about Blazer of the Year now.
Blazer of the year. No, it's weird to be talking about Blazer of the year when it's a dunk year. You blazing squad.
But we've still got like a good 2 months of the year to go. So I think it may be a bit early to be talking about Blazer of the Year. And for me, the Heaven would be the current Blazer of the Year for me.
So
from this pack.
So from this pack, the one with the clouds on, the one with the straps, the one that lots of people don't like.
Yeah.
And
I'm not going to go with the norm.
that is very true. And you know who you are out there who just can't get on board with straps.
Velcro on sneakers.
With Velcro on your shoes. You know who you are. You know where you live in the UK. And so shout out to you anyway. And I know you're a big Blazer fan. But yeah, let us know in the comments. What is your Blazer of the year so far? What do you think?
Did you get these? Did you not get these?
That is very true.
Do you want these?
Would you pay resale for them?
Yeah.
Have you paid for resale for them?
So many questions.
And now these apparently are also inspired by our good friend
Darth Maul.
Now we know that Adidas, so there you go, just so you can see that. We know that Adidas, they obviously have a lot of the license with Star Wars. But if there was one character that could inspire a shoe for you, what character would it be? And what shoe profile would you use? What silhouette would you use?
Ooh.
Because I think some silhouettes go better. Now, do you tinker with it? Like Nike SB has been with the Dunk this year to allow like different brands to do stuff.
Imagine if they'd done like the Grateful Dead, but for Chewy.
See, Already, see that? I like your thinking, SJ. I love your thinking there. That's amazing. Like you could do a really good Chewbacca, and like obviously Adidas have done that.
Yeah, but it wasn't a great one.
Well, it's Adidas. Oh, did I just say that? I did just say that, everyone. So, I suppose all the usual thing. Please like, comment, subscribe, all of that malarkey.
Thumbs up.
Big thumbs up from us. But if you like these type of things and you want to sort of hang out with us vaguely in a virtual kind of way, we do stream every Sunday night. At what time, SJ?
8 p.m. here in the UK, 12 p.m. on the West Coast, 3 p.m. on the East Coast, unless the clocks change.
Unless the clocks change, and then we'll figure that bit out.
Yeah.
And if you're in Tokyo,
it's about 5 a.m.
It's about 5 a.m. I think.
On Monday morning.
Yeah, on Monday mornings. Which, if you get up to, cool. That's all good. That's all good. And if you're still here, thank you. If you want to go and watch one of those videos, they're just there, aren't they, SJ?
Just over there.
Just somewhere like that one's probably a good one. And maybe what I've linked to up here is pretty good. Maybe if I've linked.
Yeah.
Anyway, folks, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you probably in another video.